Hello and welcome to my first devlog. Now before getting started, I want to point out that I'm very much a beginner to game development, which is why I decided to start making these videos. I want to record my progress and get some advice along the way. So what is this game supposed to be? Well, the goal will be to go out on your boat and catch fish, then sell them so you can buy various upgrades. So far I've been working to get the foundation laid out, but I've added a couple of other small features too. I spent some time learning how to use Blender and made a model of a boat to use as a prototype. Then I spent some time creating a shader for the water. I also added a compass that'll always point the player back to their starting position, because this will be really important later on. I spent most of the time trying to get my movement system working how I wanted it to. I ran into a lot of problems on the way. I started with some really simple movement so I could make sure other features were working, like the compass that relies on the player's position changing over time. This isn't exactly what I wanted the compass to do, but it was a quick fix. With the compass working how I envisioned, next I wanted to add a body for the player to control, rather than just controlling a ghost ship. This doesn't work exactly how I wanted it to, but for now it's close enough. I got some interesting results when I was trying to keep the player attached to the boat. I even managed to turn the boat into a rocket. It all seemed to work fine as long as I didn't try to rotate the player at all. I did notice when the player walks, it tends to point down toward the ground, and when this happens, and I create a fixed joint between the player and the boat's forced to angle back up, so the collision box clips through the water, and everything gets launched into the air. I've got the movement working now, but when the player's in the boat, they don't quite face the right direction when they rotate. If anyone has any ideas on that, I'd appreciate the feedback. That's all the progress I've made so far. If you liked this video, hit the like button below, and if you want to see more, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.